So, GM, what is our purpose here on Earth? What is life all about?
Deep. Okay, that's actually quite an easy one. Life itself, and you only have to try and find life in you to see that life itself is invisible. The forms in the world that life works through and lives through are not the life itself. Life is invisible. Try and find your awareness, which is your life. Try and find your awareness. You'll find that it's not locatable. It's invisible. You can't touch it. It's this mysterious thing. We've spoken about this in many, many other clips. So life in the beginning, before there was matter, before there were bodies, life was totally invisible. I'm talking pre-Big Bang. And when life is invisible and absolutely curious about itself, it has a problem. It needs to be able to see itself in order to know itself. I'm talking about life that saturates the cosmos. I'm not just talking about life on this earth. Life itself, the thing that animates all forms that we call being alive. So that life is invisible. It needs to know its potential. It needs to know what it can do. Now, unless life has experienced and manifested and been all possibilities and potentialities that life can possibly be, it will never fully know itself. So it has to work and live as every possible form that it can be, every form it can manifest. Trees, whales, people, worms, aliens, birds, everything and anything it can possibly be, it will. So, the purpose here on Earth, the purpose for any living creature to be, is for life to know itself. That is the meaning of life. Therefore, if you are on the path of self-knowledge and truth, you're on the same page as life itself. If you're off on your own personal little tangent for your own wants and desires, then you're not much better than a cancer cell. You're not on the same page as life itself. And once you leave the page of life itself and you go off on your own tangent, suddenly life doesn't make sense. Everything starts to be confusing. Life only makes sense when you allow life to live through you. That's your purpose. You are living for life. That life may know what it is through you. That's not a religion. That's just the status quo of the universe right now. What's life all about? That, what I just said. Ciao.